Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to activate Credit Karma card. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.creditkarma.com/activate. So once you type this URL in, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the activate card option. So once you tap on activate card, you will be redirected to this page where all you need to do is simply type in your email address and your password of Credit Karma to get access to your credit card or debit card on Credit Karma. So this is how you activate card on Credit Karma. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Till then, thank you for watching.